Thanks for checking back in with me today, and I hope you are as excited as I am because I got this bad boy that takes up the whole screen in the mail last night. I haven't touched it yet. I don't know what's in here. This is the December Boxyluxe box. I was able to get the upgrade, so that's awesome. This box is like, it's bigger than my whole head. And something I noticed right off the bat is on the back, it has this sticker on it, which is weird. We never have that sticker. So anyways, I have on just my base and my eyebrows today. I haven't done anything else because I truly don't know what is in this box, except I got an email saying pick a flat iron or Suva beauty palette, and I chose the palette because I don't really use a flat iron on my hair. I try to avoid as much heat as possible, so I wouldn't use it, and I already have a flat iron anyway. So I chose the palette, so it's supposed to be in here. I've gotten emails before saying, spoiler, here's something that's in your box, and it wasn't in there. So yeah, and we're gonna try things on in here because I'm actually going out for dinner and drinks with a girlfriend of mine tonight, so I'm pretty excited about that, and we need to get ready, get this filmed at the same time. Let's do it. Let's see what's in here with our giant knife. This whole box is legit held together with 2 pieces of tape. Those pieces of tape-o. That's not right at all. But you know what I mean. Okay, let's get in here. I'm kind of excited, but I'm kind of nervous at the same time. Okay, she is full. Here we go. Let me, like I said, she's big. Whoa, I see something peeking out. The card this month is as big as the box. It's as big as my head. And it's called "'Tis the Season" Boxyluxe. And we've got some coupons on the bottom. And this is a lot of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 items are supposed to be on this box. I think. There's 9 items on the back of this card. So unless we get a variation of the 9 items, there should be 9 items. Now the first thing that I see is this Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room 147 Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. That's exciting. I like the dish. That's pretty exciting. It says that this retails for $32. Oh, look, it has a little puff. So cute, and it has the devil seal in there. Those are always so hard to get out. This one surprisingly isn't that bad. Oh, okay. It has a very perfumey smell. I'm not going to use the puff. No, who puts powder on with the puff? Okay, so it is it's pretty light, pretty translucent. It feels pretty soft, so yay. I don't really use setting powders too much. I don't really set my face too much. Okay, now we got this. It says Glam AF. Want to hear a funny story? For the longest time, I didn't know what AF meant. And I had to ask my daughter. I'm a nerd. Okay, this smells high like plastic. That says this is Crimes of Beauty wristlet and portable charger suite. This retails for $22. You have the amazing Do Not Eat This bag of crap. And then, okay, we have the little charger here. It's exciting. So it has a little USB thing. It says Crimes of Beauty. Now I have an iPhone. I wonder if I can use this. I don't know. Let's see. I can! It works! Yay! That's exciting. So that's pretty cool. But I can't plug it back in. That's actually pretty cool. And then it's just a little like wristlet. It's got a little divider in here, but it's pretty simple. It's kind of cute. Kind of cute. I would say I would use it tonight because I'm going out, but I won't because it smells like plastic pretty bad. So I kind of need to like let the air out a little bit. All right, now inside some bubbly foam, some of this lovely stuff. We have the Protege palette. This is it. Oh, okay, stay on track. I saw something that was underneath it. So this Protege palette from Suva Beauty retails for $34. Ooh, guys, we're gonna be looking cute when we go out tonight. That's cute. So it's got 2 highlighters, a pink and a gold, and 6 shadows, 2 of which are shimmers. The rest are mattes. That's exciting. Super excited to use this. Taking the plastic out. Those things annoy me. I'm out of places on the desk. All right, the next thing. Oh my gosh, are you guys excited for this as I am? This is a Violet Voss My Holy Grail palette. I have wanted one of these. I just, honestly, I've been too cheap to spend the damn money. So this retails for $45. Whoa, pretty excited. I don't know what colors are in here. We're gonna have so much fun. Okay. Okay, calm down. Oh my gosh, she's wrapped good. We've finally gotten her. Okay. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, they're all warm tones. They're all very warm tones. Great. I mean, I have like 30 other palettes that are warm tones, but they'll actually go really well with these colors. So I'm pretty excited. We can make a good look. Okay. The next thing we have is this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It says apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. Okay, well, good. This retails for $89. Holy shit. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo, biloba, rose, and mimosa. I like mimosas. To moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. It's an anti-aging cream. I love it because you know I don't want to get old. It doesn't really smell like anything. It appears that the bottle is only about half full for $89. That bitch better be all the way full. But there's a big old hole that goes all the way to the bottom. So we'll try this. I'll have to let you know on this. I know nothing about this brand. So yeah, we will look into it and see what's going on. Hit me up in the comment section if you want to know. Give me about a week and I will let you know. Next thing we have is, ooh, I love these. I got one in a FabFitFun box once, and I've been buying them at TJ Maxx for like $3 or something since then. This is a Spongel body wash infused buffer, and this retails for $20. Nah, you can get this at TJ Maxx, same brand and everything, for like $4. But this one smells, yeah, this one smells like my grandma. I don't know what. It's called Blossom Bliss. I was looking for the scent. It smells like my grandma. I gotta put that away right now. I love them. I'm not in love with that scent. And then that's the last thing in our box. We definitely did not get 9 products. The Luxe brush set. Oh my god, it's a complete face set. Holy crap. This says it retails for $65. Rose gold complete face brush set. At least I know what we're using to do our eye makeup tonight. So that's exciting. The box is super luxe. Like, yes, hello, thank you. This is exciting. So according to this card, I did not get a Tarte glitter lip paint, which sucks because I don't have anything to put on my lips from this box, and a Grande Cosmetics mascara. So I don't know if everybody was supposed to get those things. It was this Driving Beauty, and they're super cute. And it has this little box, and it's not just like a box, a paper box. It's like hard plastic. It's like it's a plastic box with a pink paper wrapped around it. So really exciting. There's a little Oh, it's got little rubber grips and everything. There's a face brush, a buffer brush. Oh, Lord. Tapered highlighter. Yo, y'all. Huh. These are the same, the 522 tapered highlighters. I already got one. That's great. Then we got the Pro Precise Face Brush. It is a Luxe 680. We got some eye brushes here. Okay. So we have the 229 tapered blending brush, the 221 flat definer brush, the 213, the eye shading brush. Ooh, so that one's kind of flat, if you can't see the difference between the two. And then the spoolie, the 201 brow and lash spoolie. And then we have this little fella. What is this? It's a lip brush. Yeah, it's a Luxe 160 lip brush. Looky there. How cute is that? Super, super adorbs. Alright, y'all. Let's do some facing. All in all, I think this box is actually pretty great. I think I might email them though to see if I was supposed to get those other two things. Because if not, why did I pay extra for this box to get 7 products instead of 5? I mean, they're good products, but I thought that I read somewhere that they were supposed to be, there was supposed to be all 9 in there. But, I don't know. I'm happy. I mean, it was $50. So I definitely got my money's worth just in eyeshadow palettes. But, so we didn't get any blush or anything. No blush, no bronzer. I'm trying to decide if I use this Pretty Vulgar powder. I never saw my face, y'all. So I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to try that another day. I've got a glitter on my eyelid. Okay, so for my eyelids, I primed them with Shape Tape. And that is all. I haven't set them or anything. So let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and do some highlighting. I'm going to use the same Luxe brush, but I'm going to use the one I've been using. And I'm going to go gold because we're going warm. So I'm going with this color called Era right here. Come on. I can't see it on my face, but I can see it on camera. So I'm not sure if that is from my lens or what. I guess she's showing up just a little bit. It is a bit dusty in the pan. On the palette, it's kind of popping out a little bit. It's kind of gotten a little bit dusty. You can't even see it. You think I'm a fool. That's okay. We're just going to keep building this to see if it builds. There she is. She's coming out to play right there. That's great. And that... Alright, let's do this old beauty trick and put some setting spray on top before we do anything else. And this is Makeup Revolution's Sport Fix setting spray. We'll see if we can get some more later. Okay, let's get into the eyes. Dun, 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 dun. Having a moment. Alright, we're going to set everything with this color called Tact in the Suva Beauty palette. It's right here. It's just a cream colored. It's a light base. We're just going to set this because, here, I'm tired of pulling that over. I can already see this Shape Tape trying to crease up in my eyelid. And I don't want that. Alright, let's look at this Violet Voss palette. Alright, we are back. I have crazy hair, but you can't see it because it's white. And here's our final face. I used both palettes on my eyes and my highlight. And yeah, I think it's a great box, even with what I suspect is some missing products. I will email them and we'll see what's up with that. I could be wrong. The value is amazing this month. I mean, seriously, this for $89, $32, $45, like that just pays for the box right there, plus like 2 boxes. So I'm super happy. Let me know if you got your hands on a Luxe box or if you got the regular box. Let me know if you think the regular box was better than the Luxe box this month. Aside from the Park Avenue Princess palette in the last Luxe box, the first one, I really didn't care too much about any of the other stuff. So I was actually, even though I was upset that I like tried to get it for so long and it was just so disorganized, I wasn't all that upset that I didn't end up getting it after it all came out. So let me know what you think. I'm getting ready to head out, have a few drinks, have some dinner, have some girl time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. I think I'll be seeing you on Tuesday, or I think I'll be seeing you on Friday again, so make sure you tune in, and in order to do so, hit the subscribe button. You know you need to. And the bell if you want to know instantly as soon as I'm up. That's the story anyway. I don't think it works, but you know, for good measure, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. You did your duty. You'll know when I'm here. And yeah, so that's all I've got for tonight. I will see you guys in a couple of days. Have a great week. Bye.